Here we show how to replace the lens on a Blackberry Curve 8330. First we need to remove the old lens from the phone. To do this, use a safe pry tool and start lifting the old lens out as being shown here in the video. It's just held in with a bit of glue, so you just need to pry this apart. Once you've released the glue, you can release the lens from the phone. Now we are going to install the new lens to the phone. These replacement lenses are available on our website. To install the new screen, we first need to remove the backing from the adhesive strips. To do this, just start in one corner and peel off, as being shown here in the video. To attach the new lens to the phone, put the lens in place, making sure it is lined up correctly. Once the lens is in place, push down gently on the lens, making sure the glue is making good contact.